Hi, you'll probably notice that this video says final, and it's because I'm running out of content to do, and I'm wanting to do something more original. If you have any ideas or just want to contribute in any way, be sure to join our Discord. It allows you to talk to me directly and give me information about what you want to see next, along with content for videos like this.
Okay, I really need help. I can't really move at all, and it's going fast. I'm just gonna send this to the devs of the game because I just need help.